Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jay Goldfinger here, and today I have an exciting haul. These two bags I ordered off TikTok shop from Bagsmart, this toiletry bag and this duffel bag. Everyone in the comments on their TikTok shop review said that this duffel bag was perfect for travel, as a diaper bag, and as a gym bag. I saw a bunch of videos and I was sold. I needed to get this bag. I was kind of hesitant to purchase anything off TikTok just because I'm not used to shopping on social media applications, but I decided to give it a go. I am trusting that my credit card information is safe out there in their database, but I wasn't scammed. It was from their official TikTok shop, Bagsmart TikTok, and the order came quickly. Very excited to open these and share these with you. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the Bagsmart toiletry bag just because it's smaller and I could do it quickly, and then we can move on to the duffel bag. What made me purchase this was I recently went to my best friend's house. She lives an hour away from me, and we were going to an event and I completely forgot my cologne, my comb, and my gel. And if I had a toiletry bag that I could just pack with like extra things, toiletries, I would be ready to hit the road and never forget anything. That's what influenced me to buy this toiletry bag. Also, it was on sale and it was a special, so let's see if it was worth it. I like that it came packaged in this baggie to make sure that there's no dust on it. Ooh, it's like a puffer material. It's cute. It's really tiny, and I like that it's like collapsible, so I could just put it in a drawer, and when I need it, I can just take it out. Or if I want to pack it, it's so compact that it isn't going to take too much space. Let's open the front pocket. Ooh, I see here. So the advertisement that they had the brushes here, like put in here, so you have your makeup brushes if that's what you use. I would put my comb here because I use the toothpick combs to brush my hair. That's what would go with here. My extra toothbrush if I'm sleeping over at my best friend's house or my family member's house. I want to have it ready to go. And then there's two pouches here. Again, a lot of storage in this one front pocket. Here's a close-up of the bag. And I like that it says Bagsmart. It's in this gold color. Very nice bag. And there's no smell to it, so that's how I know it's good. On the front of the bag, there's two zippers. Off camera, I flattened out the two pouches that I opened. And as you could tell, lots of room. So here I'd put like body spray, my deodorant, my gel, because I got the eco gel, so it's like circle. It fit perfect in here. I'm not gonna pack this on camera today, but I am gonna do a video detailed to my toiletry travel packing essentials. So stay tuned for that. Let's get to the last pouch. Let's zip this up. No issues with the zipper. This is not cheaply made. Just like that. Let's move to the last pouch. I believe this is the wet pouch. So this is for all your liquids. This is where I would put my liquids because it's like a plastic pouch. Yeah, see, it's protected. So like say you're going to the pool, if you want to take this to the beach or the pool in the summer, you could put your swimsuit here when you're done with it, all your wet materials, or anything you're afraid is gonna leak. Like just, that's what I would do with this pouch. All in all, I'm really happy I purchased this bag. It's so cute, it's so compact, and if you're looking for a bag for your boyfriend or a male friend, or even a girlfriend, get the black. Get the black one. There's a bunch of colors. I saw pink, dusty pink. I saw beige. Just love a classic black bag because it goes with any outfit. And it also is not going to get dirty as often or as quickly as a lighter color would. So that's why black is my go-to. And I say this while wearing a white tank top. My logic there. But yeah. Let's move on to the next bag. But wait, before I do, I'll show you the tag that is attached to this. Alright, so here's the tag close up. It says Bagsmart. Alright, I'd give this bag a 5 out of 5 just because it's such high quality. My favorite thing about this is the wet pouch, just because I'm always afraid things are going to leak. And I like that there's so much room in this small bag. I'm really impressed. And the quality of this feels great. Let's move on to the duffel bag. All right, we're moving to the duffel bag, but first I'm gonna take a sip of my iced coffee. It's a gloomy day here in New York City. It's raining. Luckily for me, my kitty's here. I don't know if you can see her. I'll move the camera a little bit over. She loves rings, so I'm gonna throw this and she's gonna grab it. I am super excited about this bag. You have no idea, I've been waiting for this bag. I'm gonna unzip it so that I can flatten it out. Ooh, and it comes with a strap. As you can tell, this bag is pretty big, but the great thing about it, it's flexible and it came packaged, folded, which gives you more space to store it. This crossbody is gonna be perfect when I'm carrying a lot of things in this bag and it becomes heavy. You could also wear it as a shoulder bag because it has these two straps. Unfortunately, these aren't detachable. But yeah, if you're having a lot of items in your bag and you want to give your shoulder a rest, it's going to be perfect to just switch over to the strap, which is detachable. Like you could put this in the bag and save it for later. I like that you could use this bag as a shoulder bag, so it still looks pretty cool. It feels very comfortable. The straps are very soft and they're thin. They don't feel irritating. The strap, it has padding. It has this materials too. I'm definitely gonna take this bag on a travel trip, of course, just because it has the strap on the back so I can put on my suitcase and not have to straggle it along because my stuff gets heavy. So it's gonna be perfect for that. But for everyday use, I'm gonna use it for the gym. I just packed this with all my favorite gym essentials that I take with me. If you want to see that, stay tuned, coming soon. So let's open the first zipper that's on the front of the bag. Ooh, it's like nicely padded in the front. The inside is gray. This would be a perfect bag to put my iPad here or my phone. Just throw it in there. Have it easy access. Let me grab the other bag to show you the difference. Not much difference, it's more similarities than not. These two bags go perfect with one another. I believe I could just fit this in here. Yeah, in the main pocket, the main zipper pocket. Yeah, you could throw your toiletry bag right in there. So definitely would buy both if you can. If not, I would definitely invest in this duffel bag because it's so spacious. And inside the bag, there's these crunchy things. On the back of the main pocket is this wet bag. Bagsmart really thinks of everything. That's why it's called Bagsmart, because they're smart. They know that people are gonna have wet clothing or items that you just don't want them to leak. So if I'm going to the gym with this bag, I'm putting my dirty, sweaty clothes in this pouch so that it doesn't stain any of my anything in here or smell. And the last thing on this bag is the back. Well, not the last thing because there's two pouches on the side. This is where you'd probably put your bigger Stanley cup, like the 40 ounce. And it has this grip tie thing, so you could just grip it there for more security. And it has two. It has one on this side as well. So I'd probably throw in my keys on the side for quick access. The back of the bag has this strap, which is amazing. If you're traveling, this is the travel strap that goes on your suitcase handle, and that's gonna make it convenient for you not to have to hold it. You can just put it on your carry-on handle and just drag it along. That's a real seller for me. Let me show you the tags it comes with. Bagsmart. On the back it says here or there, now or never. Another tag, it says Bagsmart. Back of the card it says follow us, Instagram Bagsmart_official, TikTok Bagsmart_official, their website and a QR code. You want to buy from the direct seller, so please use Bagsmart_official. I don't want you guys to get scammed. I ordered from them. I know some people said they found it cheaper on other TikTok shops or like online, but it's not an official seller. You don't know what you're getting. You might be getting something that isn't a real Bagsmart bag with the same quality. I wouldn't risk it. That's me. If you want to risk it, that's your own doing. I would just buy off their official website or their Instagram or TikTok shop. That's it for me. Let me know your thoughts on these bags in the comments. I love that I purchased these. Like, I'm happy that I got these at a great deal. I know that they're probably not 2 for $40 now, but they're always having like flash sales in their TikTok shop. So I would follow them and see if they ever post any new sales. Definitely worth it for me. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Coming soon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you doing? Subscribe. I have hauls all the time, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.